One of my favorite metaphors of neuroscience is the triune brain, and this is a very useful metaphor for the writer. I'll show you how you can use it to write a good first draft. The triune brain says that humans have developed three brains along the evolutionary periods until they reach the brain that we have now. These three brains are the human brain, the animal brain, and the reptile brain. The human brain is the prefrontal cortex, the logical brain, the CEO of the brain. The animal brain is emotional. It gets angry and excited. It's the beast within. It craves carnal pleasures and loves to eat a good cheeseburger. The reptile brain is automatic and it keeps you alive. It keeps your blood circulating, does your bodily functions like breathing, and you get the point. When you write a first draft, which brain should you use? The logical human brain, the emotional animal brain, or the reptile brain? If you start with the human brain, it's probably going to be too logical, too cold. Use the human brain when you edit what you've already written. If you let the animal brain take over on the first draft, it may get a little sappy or sentimental, too emotional. Try writing the first draft with your lizard brain. Use your body, your breathing, the flow of blood through your veins. Use rhythm and incantation like a lizard running through rocks. It moves like an elegant dance, and the first draft can be like that. Let it come from your lizard brain. Here's an exercise. Write for 7 minutes following rhythm and sound coming from your body, things that are visceral. Ignore your thoughts and ignore your extreme emotions and just write from the movement of your lizard brain. Write non-stop for 7 minutes and let me know what you came up with.